Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check your Binance Square daily task. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to check that, you just simply have to open your Binance and tap to this little yellow icon into the top left corner. And after going into there, you will have to tap into more services and scroll down into this information section. And after going in there, it is a little bit twisted process because if you go directly into Square, it won't show you the daily task. But if you tap into live and then go to live section and tap to me button, and after tapping in there, you will get to see this option of daily task. Tap to daily task, and if you are a live host or live users, you will get the option of daily task. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.